corners. 1, 2, 3. Corners!
Just still in the crossfire.
Morning, everybody. Day 6 or 7, one of those numbers. We're packing up here in high level. We just gotta offload some SD cards, and we will be pulling out of Dave and Heather's driveway, making the push down to the Forestry Trunk Road south. And it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. We're having some coffees. We got some coffee from Lost Trail Overland Outfitters, so really stoked to try that. Thank you, Dave. Thank you, Heather. Your hospitality has been amazing. Cicely, you're a cool kid. And yeah, let's do this. Made it about 300-ish kilometers from high level to the boom metropolis of Grimshaw, Alberta. Why is Grimshaw important, and why am I talking about it? If you plan on doing the Mackenzie Highway, it starts here. It starts in the town of Grimshaw. It's mile 0. We are at mile 0 in Grimshaw, Alberta. The Mackenzie Highway was built in order to service the gold rush of the Yukon in the 30s and the 40s. It runs from here all the way up to Hay River in the Yukon. You can't get there 100% during the summer because it does connect to winter roads. If you want to do a really cool winter expedition, I highly recommend you come to Alberta and you do the Mackenzie Highway all the way up to the Yukon. And when you get here, call me, because I will come. So I got a headlight out here, and this headlight, it's fine. You smack it, turns back on. This has been a mechanical helpful tip by Dave. How tall are those ceilings?
23.
Holy Moses. Dave from Lost Trail Overland told me to come into this place on my way through Fairview. It is super cool. Mini bar upstairs. He's got private rooms in here, and the decor is insane. I'm gonna turn this around to show you guys. Pretty rad. That is where we're going to be doing sunrise. I just went cross-eyed. I've never done that before. That is where we're going to do some rad drone shots tonight. Oh. All right, guys. I don't know why I always start it like that. Why do I do that? This is dumb. I'm not gonna.
There could be girls.
I'm not gonna. There could be girls. I'm just kidding. Rick's taking off. He's gonna be completing the rest of the. He is completing the 4 corners, but he's doing it with his fam jam, which is pretty cool. He's gonna go grab the trailer. They're gonna go camping. So he's gonna do a long detour. He's gonna keep going down, then pitch over to Edmonton, hook up his stuff, and then leave tomorrow and finish off the rest down the FTR.
Gonna be in Old Man River.
Old Man River.
Saturday.
Yep.
Sunday.
Yep.
Driving with the wife down to Wellington, to the southwest
Waterton,
corner.
yeah, Waterton. That's right.
Drive back for Sunday night,
Yeah.
and then Monday, our in-laws are meeting it with us. So
Yeah, no, it's gonna be good. So we're just gonna get camp set up. Rick's gonna hit the road, and then it's gonna be down. We're down to 2 now. The 2 amigos finishing it off. So much love. We're gonna set up camp. Then we're gonna cook some supper, and then we're just gonna hang out and chill. All right. I like this guy a lot.
hang out loose.
Drive safe, people.
Epic trip.
Oh man, Dave, what's for supper? We're having stir fry.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, we're frying some vegetables. We got some noodles that are steeping in here, and yeah, we're gonna cook up some stir fries. We're gonna have some steak in there. It'll be good tonight. It's gonna be a good. We haven't done much talking about our food on this trip because, to be honest, in order to cram this whole thing in the time frame that we did, or that we're doing, it's been go.
It sure has been.
It's been go. We've been putting down big miles, although we haven't been getting up as early as we should have. That's probably my fault, but we're still putting on the same miles we would have either way.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of time tonight to relax, and we got some new beer that I'm really excited to try out in my kick-ass growler, and yeah, it's gonna be good. We're gonna batch load some footage. Oh yeah, there's my new growler.
Check it out, guys.
Picked that up today from frick, I forgot the name already. Eisen Brewer House in Fairview, the Fairview Microbrewery. It's a really rad place. I really like it. I damaged that thing already, but I'm hard on the equipment, so.
So I don't know if you guys know how good this smells, but man, does this smell amazing.
Yeah, it does. It smells really
good, actually. I'm like drooling right now.
Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna keep cooking away here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, so it is supper time. We're having steak stir fry tonight and salad. And it is it looks absolutely delicious. And I'm super stoked about this because this will be the first real food meal that we would have made out here.
Check this out. Oh, squishy. Squishy.
Mini tongs are the best thing ever. They're super slick.
Oh, you hear that? Squishy. Squishy food. Oh, I can't wait to dig in.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and eat this. Bye.